Hey, welcome to part 2 of Fridge Magnets Art Challenge. There we go, it's all dry, clear coated. This is how it looks like. I'm pretty happy with it, how it came out at the moment. It's only a background right now. So what I want to do right now is pinstripe it. I'm gonna use scroll style pinstriping, and most probably I'm gonna go for like a phoenix bird, shape of a phoenix bird anyway. So it's rising from the ashes. It kind of makes sense. Flame, fire, phoenix. Figured out that's gonna be a pretty good theme for that. So yes, if you would like to own this piece or any other piece, fridge magnet piece that's been done by some other very talented artists, unlike me, then get involved. Check out the link below. I believe these guys are taking bids straight away from as low as £5, and I think the auction ends somewhere in August or September, if I remember correctly. It's a very good cause, and just enjoy the fun. It's a good way to raise some money for a charity. Very good cause as well, as I mentioned before. So yeah, enough talking. Let's put some music on, load up the brush, and see what we can do. This is probably the smallest picture I have painted so far. It's going to be interesting. Alright guys, thanks for watching, enjoy the fun, cheers. Hello there. So there it is. The fridge magnet is finished now, all dried up. But before I go into detail, I would like to say big thanks once again to Delboy from Dable's Garage and Penny for the video they did 2 weeks ago. You remember we auctioned one of the pieces I painted in a Geiger style, and that was auctioned for charity as well, and it went for incredible £201. Big thanks to Oranges who bid at that amount. This is absolutely incredible. I'm over the moon with that amount. It went to Dementia Scotland charity of your choice, which is very, very worth the cause. Thank you very much, my brother, for doing this, and thank you to everybody else who took place in that auction. You know, took part. The bids were incredible, and I didn't expect anything even near to that amount. So once again, guys, thank you very much. Couldn't be happy with this. Okay, and when it comes to this little fridge magnet, you've seen me painting for the last 2 videos. It's all ready. I'm gonna drop it off in a post later today, so it's gonna get to the guys, the charity guys, hopefully in one piece, I hope. And if you like this one or want to have a look on 199 other tiles that's being distributed around the world, and artists sending them as we speak, please get involved. I'll put all the links to the fridge magnet art challenge below the video, and maybe an email to a person responsible for it, so you can get all the information. If you want to get involved and support the charity, you can bid on this piece or other pieces. You can support it, you can sponsor it. So if you don't like this piece, maybe there's something else, some other art that you would like from that little magnet they would like to own, and you know, get involved and support that charity for children with terminal disease. It's a great way to raise some money for it, and it's good fun as well. Definitely enjoyed doing that piece for that. And that's about it. There's nothing else to say here. Once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your kind support. It's a glorious day today in Cambridge, so I think I'm gonna, me and Mr. Giraffe over here, we're gonna take a bike out for a spin and see what mayhem we can cause on the streets of Cambridge. Once again, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time.